Yeah, hello guys, it's Switch here with another video. In today's video, I'm just going to show you guys the miner app, which actually is like game, but it's a miner basically. So just give me a second. Tap this microphone. Always struggle. Always struggle. Okay, dokie. So is the name of the miner. The name of the game is Tapx, as you can see. Tapx. And right now I'm just going to climb my rewards. And sort of I will go through the old tabs and explain what's going on, but sort of it's self-explanatory, everything anyway. So yeah, so just going to climb our coins, and you can climb for free, or you can climb to use your tone if you have any tone. And then you will have much more rewards, so you better off to climb with a tone. And actually I won 0.2 ton from the last bumps event, so actually I have some to use, and I can use it, I suppose. So I'm just gonna use don't have much, but I have some to use. So as you can see, there's a fee 5.0.5. Okay, I just try to use all my resources to climb it more. Then we're gonna start farming and just gonna climb again. It's much more gold, which ultimately for that gold, you will see in a minute, we can transfer for the energy, and then from the energy we can basically upgrade our miners, which ultimately we're getting more coins per hour. I'm not really like super precise with login, like right now, for example, I know I need to log in like within 2 hours for the first miner to basically get the coins, but I'm not doing that. I'm just like logging once per day or maybe 2 times per day, although ultimately my channel is going to be I hope the vision is to be the guy who is going to multitask fuckloads of apps. So if you're genuinely using some app right now and you're happy about this, like it's not really time consuming, that's what I'm looking for. It's not time consuming and looks nice. I don't really want to play some shitty app like there's like just a wheel and you spin that and you're hoping for some winning. I don't give a fuck. I just genuinely app like miners or like something which is actually exciting to play, because other than that, like shitty apps I don't really want to play. Looking for the apps which like already thousands of people playing. So yeah, if you're playing something which already like a couple of million people play, you can let me know what's the name of the app and I can just look into that. And then we have the last one. It's going to climb this. Unfortunately, I don't have more resources, but that's fine. Sooner or later, we're going to win something. Maybe this one I have enough. Okay. Yeah, like I said, I don't really want to fuck around with the exchange or anything like that. It's just basically everything what I'm going to acquire here is going to be through other games / programs, raffles, airdrops, you name it. And I genuinely believe I'll be able to climb enough resources to basically run the other apps. Because I'm just going to play, like I said, 40, 50, 60, 70, fucking 100 apps on daily basis, which I'm already playing everything what you see in the description below. So there's not such thing like some random app in my description. I'm basically running everything. Besides maybe that porn app, which I put in the description. But it was too funny to not put it. Well, maybe I will do the video at some point from this app as well. So So I climb all the rewards. Right now we can upgrade, but before we do, I'm just going to go through the old tabs. So ranking, my position is almost like 4,000, and USDT, we apparently can win like the USDT, but you're not really getting USDT, you are getting sort of coins within that range of spending the money, which it's not bad at all, because at the end of the day you don't need to spend any money to be higher in the rank, but then actually you need to watch like ads, and like nobody fucking wanna watch the ads. Like when the ads, maybe you can do this, like they're not like that like sort of long, and like in my case, watching the ads is actually something important. And you might ask me why, because I'm learning the other apps and I just go through these apps to check apps, because ultimately I want to be the guy who is going to fucking multitask them. So for me, this is actually no brainer to do this, but I just simply don't have fucking time to do so. I mean, I'm just gonna press 1 and see how long is it. Like the app is around 15 seconds, and to be honest with you, you just need to fucking sit and do this, and then after a few few ads, they're not 15 seconds. I think they're longer, or you have to wait or something. It's some shit like that. So obviously, yeah, I might do this. I mean, fuck knows. I've done it once and then I didn't receive anything, so fuck that. But people doing that, because obviously you will get you will be rewarded. I'm doing this every day because it's much easier. So when you add Tapx to your name, you're receiving 25 Tapx token every day and 1 million coins. So this is like no brainer. You're just pressing and you have it, and then sharing the story, like that's no brainer as well. Like I don't mind to share the story, and that's gonna think a bit, and then we receive 2.5 million coin and 50 Tapx tokens, so that's good. Then the friends, invite friends. Obviously you can go through my ref. I don't really know what I'm going to have, like star and a little bit of energy, like pretty much fuck all. Like 2 energies, like fuck all, and 1 star I don't even know. It's like normal star, telegram star, or this account. It's like fuck all, and then 10k of coins, which is also fuck all, because I just received like 2.5 million by clicking the, you know, the points. So like I don't know what the fuck those bonuses are, but like oh well, it is what it is. And then we have the wallet, and apparently we have USDT here, but I have no idea. I mean, I need to fucking do this, you know, just to test this, like those ads. I'm just gonna do it like every day, because what I've seen it, because you can check after the draw is finished, you can check who was winning what, and then there wasn't any USDT. They've been just coins, but fuck knows, maybe they actually sending here USDT. Okie dokie. Anyway, so that's the main tab. It's a farming tab, and USDT is flashing here. Okay, you are not participating. Okay, fuck it. I will try to do this every day. Actually, that's gonna take you a fucking hour. This is like to see, because you have 20 ads, then you have another 20 ads, then you have another fucking 20 ads. What the fuck? What the fuck? It was 3 windows yesterday or 2 days ago. Right now they fucking swapped to 6 windows for 20 ads each. Like what the fuck? 120 ads to watch. Like what the fuck? Fuck me. And people genuinely doing that. You see, like 53 people already done it. Like what? Fuck me. Like fucking hell. Well, if they're actually sending USDT, and I'm like super poor motherfucker, so maybe I'm supposed to do this as well. I need to test that. I will fucking test this. Anyway, so we have the upgrades, and currently I have 96 energy, and with 96 energy I could upgrade the first one for 45, although I need to level that mega digger, the last one, for so this one here I need to level up to level 20. So ultimately that's what I'm looking for. So I'm just gonna go with, and then I'm missing like 14. Then I think we can buy energy, although I don't have stars and I don't have the stone. But there is something like trade here or something that's supposed to be somewhere. Energy. I don't know. Where is that? There is somewhere something like you can swap that. Banking no, USDT no, earn no, friends no, wallet no. It's supposed to be here. $35. I don't know what's going on. It seems like it's switched off right now. I mean, I don't really care, to be honest with you guys, like to upgrade this, to be honest, but I know I have 0 energy, and I remember there was a tab to swap basically our coins into the energy. And right now I'm confused because it seems like nothing fucking works right now here. Okay. Buy energy. I don't have a ton to buy. And I don't have a stars to buy either. I don't know, it's supposed to be a tap. I remember that there was a tap here, so like, fuck me, disappear? Either way, I mean, I don't even have like enough coins because you need like a millions. Although I have 11 millions, I guess, here on the top. Oh well, you know what, guys, I'm just gonna leave it as it is. Like, if you wanna join me, I obviously appreciate that. I think I'm just gonna carry on with those adverts. Regardless, I said it's kind of stupid, but well, it is what it is. Like, actually, I wish to hit something so I can genuinely boost or transfer assets to just open either different games accounts, because you genuinely need around half ton to connect your wallet into the way you will be able to receive the airdrops, because there's lots of apps. If you are not going to do half ton transaction, usually it's half ton, they're not gonna give you anything. And then also there's lots of apps which you need not like super significant amount of money, but you need around 500 stars, and I don't know what's that gonna be equivalent to, let's say 1 ton or 2 tons to even start the game, and then half ton to get the rewards. So there's a couple of apps I'm looking to. I didn't really put them yet, just simply because I'm not able to do anything with them, so I'm not gonna introduce you if I'm not myself not running them. But yeah, there's going to be a few more miners. Anyway, thank you much, guys, for watching. See you guys in the next video. Take care. And remember, if you can help me out with the TOYGERS, I'm not gonna talk much about this, just literally 2 minutes. With TOYGERS, I'll be super happy, super appreciate. It's 10 people join me. Basically, long story short, you will play this game and you will have lots of rewards from this company, because that company is going to give you goodies for your efforts. So as you can see, I have 5 million points, and I hope so to get 10, 15 millions and so on. So basically all the stuff what I'm getting from them, I will give you guys for the giveaways. Obviously I want to keep something for myself as well, but the rest, majority of stuff will go to the giveaways. So if you want to know more about this, you can ask me in the comment section below. You can go to the app, you can try test this app, and obviously there is going to be separate playlist. It's already a separate playlist for this project because it's fucking massive and it's fucking amazing. Okie dokie, take care, guys. Bye, and see you tomorrow for another app or either miner, either game. And if you know any like super huge game you're already playing within the Telegram app, just let me know. But I'm talking about some big games, not just something which just came out, just literally people are already playing, are hooked in. Then I probably want to play this game as well. Take care.